Hey everybody, are you tired of burning through cash trying to feed the whole family? Well, I am too. I'm going to show you here today how to feed the family homemade Hamburger Helper. Way better, cheaper, the family's going to love it, and you're going to save money. We're doing it next on Buzz Cooks. Alright, are you ready to feed a family of 6 for under $2 per person? Well, we're doing it right now. Hamburger Helper, made from scratch. What we need is half an onion that we dice up. We're going to get a large skillet out, the biggest one you got. A little bit of olive oil in there. Turn the heat on to medium. We're going to throw those onions right in there. Start to sweat them down a little bit. We'll add a little salt and pepper to help them get their way. Then I've got 3 cloves of garlic that I've minced up earlier. And we're going to throw the garlic in there once these onions cook down a little bit. There we go, they're starting to turn now. So we'll go ahead and get our garlic and toss that in there. And as soon as that garlic becomes fragrant, we got to cover it with either a liquid or a solid. So our solid is going to be 1 pound of ground beef. So we'll take that out of the package, toss that right in the pan. And I've got this awesome device, I don't even know what it's called, but it's for mashing up ground beef. Instead of using a spoon that takes forever, this star-shaped handle or whatever contraption is just amazing how fast it breaks down there it is right there, it breaks down the ground beef. I'll put a link to it down below in the comment area where you can get it from Amazon. If you ever cook with ground beef, tacos, whatever, this thing is a champion. I mean, it just breaks it up so much faster. And it wasn't very expensive. It's awesome. I love it. Alright, so we get all the ground beef broken up. And we'll give it a good mix. And next we're going to take out any excess grease from the meat. What I like to do is just grab a nice bundle of paper towel, kind of push all the meat to the sides, and just push that paper towel up against the meat and get all that grease out of there. Paper towel will suck it all up. No mess. No need to dirty a colander or anything. And once that paper towel is full, we'll just toss it in the trash and we'll continue on with our Hamburger Helper. So what you're going to need next is some Worcestershire sauce, a couple dashes. Then I've got 1 packet of Good Seasons Italian salad dressing mix that I'm adding. And we'll mix that in real good. Then about a teaspoon of tomato paste will go in. You can put more if you like. I just like a little bit. And we'll mix that up. And while I'm doing that, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. It helps with the algorithm. algorithm. Make sure you hit that bell, stay up to date on all the newest recipes. I put out a new video every Sunday and every Wednesday, so make sure you check them out. And make sure you tell your friends and family about the show. Appreciate it very much. Alright, now we're going to add 2 cups of water and half a package or half a pound of noodles. I'm using the, what do you call those noodles? Elbow noodles, that's what I'm using. So we'll mix those up real good, make sure everybody gets nice and wet. And then we're going to pop the lid on this and let it go on simmer for about 10 minutes or until the noodles are done. Then we'll take the lid off, just like that. It looks pretty good. So we're going to add a couple of nice big dollops of sour cream. And then we'll mix that in real good. And then lastly, we're going to add about a half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm using white cheddar, but you can use American cheese. You can use pretty much any cheese you like. It's your recipe, but I'm using white cheddar. And then I'll mix that in real good. And then we'll serve it up. And you have homemade Hamburger Helper, less than $2 per person, feed a family 6. Amazing. Delicious and better than the box for sure. Alright, hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.